Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at some basic SMS functionalities that allows you to create a template that you can use to send specific SMS messages to your customers. Okay, now these are some of the various SMS functionalities that are available in the bulk SMS management and setup page. But for this particular video, we will be looking specifically at customers in debt SMS reminder manual, the manual functionality. So let's click on that and let's see what that is all about. So when we read what is here, it says that this allows the option of manually sending formal SMS reminders to customers who owe you at the click of a button. This option, when enabled, will display an extra option in the customers in debt section. Now, this is a smarter and a more professional way of reminding your cherished customers of late payments. So basically what this is saying is it's a very interesting functionality which helps you to send an SMS reminder to your customers of delayed payment. So in order to do that, you have to actually activate. Usually by default is inactive, so to activate it, you just toggle it back on, and then you come to the message. Drafting the message. Now to draft the message, we have to take note of this. This symbol that I have highlighted, this percentage symbol. So let's read what is there. This percentage symbol will be automatically replaced by the name of your business. Now the hashtag here will be automatically replaced with the name of the customer, and then this asterisk will be automatically replaced with the amount owed. So basically what it means is, if you are drafting a message, you have to make use of these symbols. Now if you use the percentage symbol, it will be replaced by the name of your business. If you use the hashtag symbol, it will be replaced with the name of the customer, and then the asterisk will be replaced with the name of the amount owed. So when you actually when you draft a particular message in that way, so there's an example here. You say, from percentage, dear hashtag, our system records show that you have an outstanding payment of asterisk. You can pay this sum via the mobile money number. We are very grateful for your cooperation. Best regards. So now when you send this particular message to your customer, they will not see the symbols, but they will actually see the name of your business, which is represented by the percentage symbol here. They will see their name, which is represented by the hashtag here, and then they will see the amounts that they owe, which is represented by the asterisk over here. Now you can draft the message to whichever way that you want. You can even use like a credit card or any way that you want to draft the message. You just have to take note of the various symbols. Now once you are done, you click on save changes, and then you click on done. Now this particular action happens in the customers in debt section. So now we have a whole video on the on selling on credit. So we have a feature called the selling on credit. You find that under the new transaction section. So when you are selling to your customer, the selling takes place at the new transaction section. Now there's a button that you click which is called sell on credit. So for customers who are actually buying from you on credit, once you have entered the products that they want to buy, you just click on sell on credit. And then that information is saved at a destination called customers in debt. So over there you are able to see the details of your customer, the list of customers who owe you, how much they owe, and all that. So we have all that in selling on credit. So go check that video out. So now here what we want to do is we want to be able to send messages to these customers who owe us, that they've delayed payment, and there may be other information that you like to deliver to them as well. So when you click on customers and loyalty, I went to the main menu. Okay, I clicked on the main menu and then I clicked on customers and loyalty. There's this drop. You see customers in debt. So let's click on customers in debt. It brings you to the customers in debt page. Okay, so over here you have the list, your customer details, the names, the amounts they owe, amount they've paid, the amount that is remaining, date of transaction, and expected payment date and all. All right, so if you want to send them a message, let's say you want to send, so this is a manual way. So with a manual way, you probably want to send it to a few people or to specific people. Okay, so to do that, you just click on choose. Okay, once you click on choose, for that particular customer, you click send SMS reminder. Okay, when you click on that, it says that message to send. This message was generated based on your message template settings. So remember, at the bulk SMS part where we saw the from, the from percentage symbol, dear hashtag, our system. Okay, so this is how it will appear. Okay, that is why when you are creating, the message template over there, you have to make use of the symbols. So please note that messages can take up to a few seconds to 5 minutes before delivery, depending on the network condition. So what this also means is that, once you send an SMS reminder, okay, your customers might not receive the message immediately, but then it might take just a few seconds to 5 minutes, okay, for them to receive it. And this is usually due to, network conditions and other technical issues that, affect, sending of text messages and all. So this is the message that we crafted. Okay, so you realize that this is the business name, which was the percentage symbol. This is our customer's name, which was the hashtag. Okay, and this is the amount owed, which was the asterisk. Okay, then you click on send SMS reminder, and it tells us that our message has been successfully sent to our customer. So this is how you go about manually sending a reminder to your customers, okay, of payments that are due. All right, so that is all for this particular lesson. We looked at customers in debt SMS reminder into bracket the manual functionality. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. There's another video where we talk about the customers in debt SMS reminder. That's the automatic way to actually send it. Okay, so that you don't always have to send reminders manually. Okay, right, so I'll see you in the next video. Do watch, we have a lot of these other videos available for you. We have videos on some of the basic functionalities that you see over here, so you can do check all of them out. I'll see you in the next video. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye.